I'm back with another video. This video is the reveal of the Todd English steak knives. Hey guys, I've already removed the knives from the packaging box, and now I have it. When I pulled it out, it was in this bubble wrap. So the knives are wrapped or packaged really great, real securely. So I'm going to reveal these knives for the first time with you guys. And so if you're looking for steak knives, real good quality steak knives, and you love steak, and you want really good quality steak knives, you might like these. Now, these are beautiful. I'm going to raise them up so you guys can see. They're made by a company called Hudson Knife Company. And this company is out of the United States. So up next, we'll do the review. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, now in this review, we're going to discuss these knives, and I want to get a close shot to show you that on these knives it has the English Kitchen, and that's the name of Todd English cookware, kitchenware. And I want to show you these handles. These handles, they're curved, so it has a real nice handle that feels comfortable in your hands. I used one of these knives last night with my dinner, and today I decided to do the review because I love these knives. I've purchased steak knives in the past, but these are the best I've ever used, or I believe because they feel comfortable in my hand. The handle is not too large. They feel good to the hand, and they're very good quality. And I like the way the blades are made on the knife. They cut through your meat or your steak. You know, whatever you're using this for, it cuts through very easily. So it's not a lot of effort in trying to push down and cut through whatever meat that you're eating. So it just makes it a lot easier. This knife comes in 3 colors. They have a red, this is black, and they have what they call stainless steel on the Vine.com website. The stainless steel is basically a gray handle. Very beautiful knives. And I also want to kind of give you guys a side view of these knives, because I really want to show you the quality of these knives. I just love them. This is my 3rd set of knives, steak knives, that I've ever purchased, and these are my favorite. So I'm pretty glad that I purchased this set. And this is the best quality of knives I've ever purchased. And I think if you decide to purchase this type of knife, you won't go wrong in making that choice to buy these knives. I decided to purchase these knives because it's getting close to the holidays, and I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking for a lot of family, a lot of friends, and I just want to make sure that I have a nice set of knives, or just nice utensils for company. So I got these knives for $19.93. I purchased them last weekend at Vine.com. Like I said, you won't go wrong in purchasing these knives. You'll really be glad that you purchased them. Hey guys, here's a shot of Todd English knives. As I get a closer shot, you'll see on the knife it says the English Kitchen. And I just want to show you the details of the knife and let you see the handle, the way it's shaped and made. The detail is very beautiful. I like the way the handle curves. And then right here at the top of the knife, I thought this was a real nice detail. Right here, that's where you put your finger at when you're cutting your steak, meat, whatever you're using to cut it, right? It has a very comfortable fit for your finger. It gives you more control when you're cutting your steak. And I like the way the blade is shaped. Real nice stainless steel. Real beautiful. Just want y'all to see that, a close-up shot. And like I said, these knives come in 3 colors. They come in black, red, and what they call stainless steel, which is gray. Here's a little booklet that comes with the knives. It shows the care and use of these knives. And basically, the book is basically saying how to how to wash the knives, care for the knives, to wash the knives with soft cloth and soapy water, and not to use anything abrasive on it, and make sure they're completely dry before you store them. So just want to let you know that's one of the other things that comes in the box.